very good, very low carbs, very soft cookie like. I'm here at Walgreens now. I'm going to take care of some business. You've seen some of that flood footage. It didn't do any justice. I wish I could have got some better stuff when I was driving, but some of that stuff was crazy and insane. All that up there is cut off. That's crazy. Can't even get through. You barely even see it. Detour. The whole bridge is down. Look at the water, y'all. Look at all the people, y'all, sandbagging. Just go out and volunteer. Look at this shit, y'all. I gotta stop right here because the road closed, man. Nigga gotta turn back around. Look at this shit. Craziness. How do I get out of Cedar Falls back to Waterloo, y'all? Look at this stuff. Damn. Alright, YouTube, we are back. I'm still driving. That was crazy, all that flood stuff we got going on there. Back in the neighborhood. Thank y'all for checking out my vlog. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.